Muhammad bin Ka'b relates that there was a great alim and abid in the Banu Israil. He loved his wife very much. Coincidentally, she passed away. This person was so grieved by this that he locked his door and abstained from meeting and conversing with people. A woman from the Banu Israil heard about this, so she went to him. She informed those who were guarding the entrance to his house that she wants to ask him a mas'ala and that it can only be asked directly to him. Saying this, she sat down stubbornly by the door. The person was informed of this and eventually permitted her to enter. She said, "I want to ask you a mas'ala." He replied, "Go ahead." She said, "I have a neighbor from whom I borrowed some jewelry. I am wearing it for quite some time now." Thereafter, she sent a person asking for her jewelry. "The question I want to ask you is that, do I have to give it back to her?" The alim replied, "Yes, you have to give it back to her." The woman replied, "That jewelry was with me for a very long time. How can I give it?" The alim replied, "In such a case, you should give it even more happily, because it was out of her kindness that she allowed you to use it for such a long time." When he said this, the woman replied, "May Allah have mercy on you. Why then are you so sad? Allah had loaned you something, and when He wished, He took it back, because it belongs to Him." Upon hearing this, the alim realized his mistake and benefited tremendously from this conversation. Lesson: look at how this woman put some sense into this man who was a great alim. Oh, women, you should also bear this in mind when you have to encounter any difficulty or calamity. You should also explain this to others.